This is my Justin Bieber biography presented by myself, Sydney Weismore. When and where was Justin born? Justin was born on March 1st, 1994, in the town of Stratford in Ontario, Canada. When did Justin begin singing? Justin began singing and playing the drums at the age of 2. 12 years old when he won second place in a talent contest in his hometown. When did Justin become famous? Justin was 12 years old when he started posting singing videos on YouTube with the help of his mother, performing covers of Stevie Wonder and Michael Jackson. He had a large following of fans and a prospective manager who flew Justin down to Atlanta to be signed by Usher. How was Justin's home life? Justin was raised by a single mother after his father left his family for another woman before Justin was famous. He did not have a great relationship with his father. However, when Justin became famous, his father resurfaced in his life. Justin then referred to his father as a deadbeat dad. Justin had many hit songs. His first hit single was One Time, released in May of 2009. In 2010, his single Baby, featuring Ludacris, broke the Billboard Top 10. His first Grammy Award was for his song Where Are You Now in 2015, a Diplo and Skrillex collaboration. After 16 consecutive weeks in the top spot, his song Despacito broke an all-time record with longest-standing chart-topping song in 2017. #1 song in several countries and #2 on Billboard in 2019 is his song I Don't Care. Calvin Klein ad. In 2015, Justin featured stripped down to his underwear in an ad which was a fan favorite. 1 year later, he featured in a Calvin Klein ad campaign with Kendall Jenner. How is Justin today? In February of 2019, Justin announced he was being treated for depression. In January of 2020, Justin announced he battled mononucleosis and diagnosed with Lyme disease, which he is still being treated for today. In 2018, on September 13th, he married Hailey Baldwin.